welcome back to my mukbang channel. Today we are having boiling crab. My hands are already dirty because I had to move the crab, so that's why. I am so excited because a boiling crab is delicious. If you've never had it, it is like the best thing in the whole entire world. I would have to say sometimes I like boiling crab a little bit better than kicking crab. If you guys live in Orange County, those are like my two favorite seafood boil places. I got the southern king crab legs. They are so small compared to the king crab legs from Costco. So this can show you the sizes that you're gonna get at the place compared to the size you're gonna get at Costco. Costco king crab legs, you guys know, are just ginormous. And then we also have some sausage, and then we have a Dungeness crab here, which I love. Cucumbers, side of rice, duh. I feel like a seafood boil with seasoning like this is not right without some rice and cucumbers. And for the sauce, I got the whole shebang mild. Let's get started because I am so hungry. Of course, you guys know we gotta start with sausage. Oh my god. I gotta get my utensils here. So this sausage is separate. I didn't get any sausage in my seafood boil bag. I had some sausage at home. These are the Cajun ones from Target. Oh my god. So delicious. Oh my gosh. The next time that I see you guys will be Mukmas. I'm so excited. I cannot believe that December is Saturday, literally in 2 days. There's barely any meat in here. What's going on? So good. Ooh, this sauce is delicious. The whole shebang sauce there is so good. Whenever I eat seafood boils like this with like Cajun seasoning, butter seasoning, or you know, things like this. Oh my god, look at these garlics. I always have to have rice and cucumbers. If it's like a plain seafood boil where I like dip into like a butter sauce or something, then I don't need the rice and cucumbers. These are a lot of hard work for not a lot of meat. So I'll show you guys, I believe next weekend, how to do it at home. So then you can go to Costco and get your own crab. I get a lot of questions to why sometimes I look to the right here. It's because I have a whole screen here so I can see myself. Because my camera doesn't have, my viewfinder doesn't flip around. So I can't see myself. So I have to make sure that I'm in focus and that I'm recording. Usually for other videos on my main channel, like makeup tutorials and stuff, Carlos, my boyfriend, will sit behind the camera, but for mukbangs, I just use the screen. Seasoned so beautifully, like not too salty, not overwhelming. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. The best types of foods are the ones where you get your hands all dirty. I'm also really excited to tell you guys that I just ordered a 15-pound lobster. We're gonna do it again. If you guys didn't watch my 15-pound lobster mukbang, it's on my main channel, which I always have linked below. They might be small, but they are so darn good. Claw from the Dungeness. Mmm. You guys see all that juice? Mmm. Dungeness crab meat is so sweet. To me, it tastes different from king crab. If you just kind of make it like bite it in half and then squeeze all the meat out with your teeth. Mmm. So good. I'm like the type of person where when I eat, I gotta eat all the meat. Like, I clean it. Like, if you guys have ever seen me eat wings. Excuse me. So much goodness in here. Oh. Mmm. So little meat, but so delicious. Mmm. Oh, yes. Yes. Mmm. Mmm. Woo. Mmm. Look at these big claws. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Mm. The sweetest meat. Gosh. Ha. Hello. Dungeness crab meat is so good. Mmm. It's kind of dry. But so good. I'm having a good time today. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Mmm. You guys, wow. This is so freaking good. I'm sorry I'm not talking. You know when the food's good, I don't talk. Suck all the juice out? Oh my gosh. Mm. I cannot believe this is so delicious. Mm. Okay. I love crab so much. It's like the best thing in the world. I need to learn how to make this sauce. This sauce they made is so good. Put some Dungeness here. Oh, the top came off. Oh my god. Ah! I got sauce in my head. Your girl's alive. Ain't nothing gonna stop me. It's real messy today. I usually never get this messy. I feel like I definitely got my money's worth today. Okay, let's open up the Dungeness crown. Okay. Oh, look at all that goodness. Oh my gosh. I know not a lot of people eat that part, but what is there that I don't eat? Mmm. All the meat slides out. Mmm. Some people eat this part, some people don't. I do sometimes. Mm. Mmm. Mm. The Dungeness crab meat is so good. Mmm. Mm. This is the best I've ever had. Oh my gosh. You know when you just have certain things and it's like, whoa, this is the best you've ever had? Gotta get all the meat. You gotta take the rice. I love taking the rice. A little bit of the sauce. Wow. Ugh. Big bite. Mmm. Mmm. I'd be so happy if someone just gave me the head and rice. Mmm. Back to some king crab, you guys. Earlier, oh my god! Earlier I choked on some spices and garlic. Okay. It's a little dry, huh? Oh my gosh. I was like, this is it. This is the moment. Oh. Again. Okay. Mmm. I deeply apologize for the pile of scraps over here. I should have gotten a bag. I definitely will get a bag next time. Mmm. I think this is the messiest my mukbangs have ever been. Yes. Mmm. Friends, what a meal today was. I was not expecting this to be a so good I'm not gonna talk video, but it was so delicious. Like, I don't know, I think the seasoning was just like perfect. My mouth is burning a little bit because they did do it a little bit spicy, but oh my gosh, I loved it. It was delicious. Also, over the past few weeks, I've been kind of pausing on the mystery wheel. We are not going to stop that completely. I just kind of been taking a moment off. We will be using the mystery wheel in the month of December. I've been considering all of your comments, so you guys never go unnoticed. Always remember that. The next time I'm seeing you guys is Saturday. Saturday is December 1st, which marks the very first day of Mukmas. So if you guys are new to the channel or you're just tuning in or you don't know, Mukmas is a word that I created and I made up one morning. And basically it's kind of like Vlogmas, where Mukmas, I'll be posting a mukbang every single day from December 1st leading up to Christmas, which is December 25th. So that's 25 mukbangs, day after day in a row. I'm so excited. I'm excited to be enjoying meals with you guys, and it's just gonna be a good old time. So Saturday will begin Mukmas, and make sure you guys follow me on my main channel, which I always link down below, because over there I'll be vlogging every single day or posting other stuff, which is gonna be so much fun. But yeah, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know if you are king crab legs kind of person or Dungeness crab legs. And let me know if you've ever tried the boiling crab. I would love to hear back from you guys. I love hearing from you guys. I love reading your comments. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Also, there will be plenty of giveaways in the month of December because it is the holidays and I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell notification so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye, my loves.